Joining us now is Qualys President and CEO Sumedh Thakar. Sumedh, great to have you with us.
Thank you, Musa. Thank you for having me.
It makes sense that companies still need to spend on cyber, but I'm wondering what you're seeing and what you're projecting in a recessionary environment. Let's say that there is, in fact, a recession. We're hearing already about corporate layoffs across the board. If that translates into a higher unemployment rate, how do you think about that as it affects your business and revenues?
I think you have to look at how the market has evolved in the last few years, where a lot of companies continue to use digital transformation and technology as a way to bring more efficiency and productivity in their businesses. And so I think in a challenging macroeconomic environment, companies will look forward to leveraging IT technology as a way to bring more efficiency, to be more productive, and to be able to bring more automation so they can do more with less. And cybersecurity becomes an enabler of that. Without cybersecurity, you cannot have this digital transformation that is going on. And I think that is how I see moving forward, and why we have seen today robust budgets for cybersecurity continuing, because IT spending is something that organizations are looking to leverage in a recessionary environment today.
So let's say just simple headcount goes down, Sumedh. Does the spend stay the same at a company?
The way that you manage today, already in cybersecurity specifically, there's not enough people, and we hear that all the time, right? There's not enough qualified people in cybersecurity. So the focus for companies have already been on how to leverage more automation and how to leverage more of cybersecurity platforms like Qualys, which can bring multiple capabilities into a single approach. And so with that, with automation in security, you can reduce the reliance on having to put more humans on doing tasks. You can actually have more automation that can get rid of a lot of the cybersecurity tasks, and then you can focus the fewer humans that you have on tasks that require a human intervention to look into what's going on in the environment.
I want to see what you're seeing right now, Sumedh, and I'm not going to pick on the second quarter because that was a great quarter. It was a beat and raise kind of quarter in terms of current calculated billings growth. CCB, it was up 18% year on year, but it did show a quarter-on-quarter decline. So I'm wondering what you are seeing right now in terms of quarter-on-quarter business and what the trend is.
Yeah, we are happy with where we are in terms of the acceleration that we have seen in the business to come to where we are. Last quarter was obviously 20%, and at the margin of 40+% on EBITDA. And look, the way we see right now, we have run a profitable business. We have $500 million on the balance sheet today, which is a rare thing in the cybersecurity stocks. And as we stay cautious with the macroeconomic conditions and we continue to leverage the cash that we have on balance to invest it in the right ways and to look for opportunities to see how we can continue our profitable growth. And that's really our focus right now, is how can we add more value to our customers so they can do more with the Qualys platform. And that way we can continue the way we have been doing with having growth, but with the profitability that we have.
So the trend is still good? That was the question. The trend that you're seeing in terms of billings growth.
Yeah, so the trend that we are looking at, the billings growth, is something that we continue to monitor, and we look to see how we're going to do for the next guidance that we'll give at the beginning of the year.
Okay. Sumedh, great to speak with you. Thank you. Sumedh Thakar.